top 4, top 5, top 6. Then it will restart to top 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can make a top counter using an IC 4017, a button, and some LEDs. In this video, we're going to use this IC, a CD4017. This is a divide by 10 Johnson counter with 10 decoded outputs and a carry out bit. Let's check some timing diagrams here. If you see here, we will have a clock source in which in every cycle of the clock, the output state of each pin will change. It will start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. This clock will be connected on our push button, so that will be the one that will change the count of every tap that we will make. This is the schematic that I'm going to follow. I suggest you look on this URL and you will see more explanation about this circuit. On my project, I'm going to use only 6 LEDs. So these are the parts that I'm going to use. So adjust until this point. So what I need to do is to connect this pin, the Q6, to the master reset. Here. And then disconnect this line. That way, once the LED turned on for this one, for the Q6, it will reset and then it will go back to 0. You will only see this once I'm done on the circuit, so let's now try to build it. Now I'm done building the circuit, and I also connected a USB cable that will be my power source. Let's now plug this in. Now start on 1, top 2, top 3, top 4, top 5, top 6. Then it will restart to top 1. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.